Welcome to watching the Tyson video. Today we will introduce you the one machine for you. And this is the Untitled Framing, the TS-J50, the ZS, the automatic, the four corners joint robot for the future frame productions. For this one is the bigger size. We also have another one is for small size. This is the bigger size. The production, the cavalry can help you easily get the 1,400 pieces in per hours. 1,400 pieces the frame moldings in each hours. It will help you easily handle the heavy production. Very simple. And for this the machine, it has the many features. Another feature is that this for the machine, the bodies, the shape we use all the steel, the high quality steels. This will make that won't be thin like other competitors, the aluminum, the moldings for it. This one, the steel, high quality steel, the shape for this will make this keep this the woodworking conditions for long time and won't be make any different size when you walk in. This is the features for the bodies. And another feature for this the bigger one is for the parking port in the middle. In the later the video you will see that this the parking port will go up and then it will to pick up the moldings down to this belt. In this way, it can avoid the picture frame damage when it finish work and then to go to the next stations. This is the parking port. And then another feature is for this, the nailings. The nailing port here, we use a longer one, and this can loading approximately 1,200 pieces vnails in this. In this way, it can makes you the long time working and no need to add the more vnails inside. And also it's also very easy to take it off. We use this steel, this block in here to push the vnails. And other the features is for the loading port. This the loading port is better than others. This the loading port we make in the top we is more wider than others. And in the button of this loading port is small. In this way, the people only need to put the moldings very simple in it. This is the features. Okay, now we start to open the machine and to start learn how it works. Okay, for the first step, when you get the machines, and then you need to open this key. Turn it. Of course, first you need to make the air pressure and the electric power to connecting with the machine, and then to open it. After open that, we need to make the molding port to get to the standard size. We need to make it to standards. And after open that, we go get the main features. We have the English, get the English language, and then in the button. In the middle of the button, we have 4 buttons. We push it, press it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 buttons. And then this is for the loading port. We will back to the original size. In this way, it will help us to make the whole size back to standard. After make that, and then we go to the next step. Okay, we can see all the loading port will back to the original, the 4 loading ports. And then next we go to the accessory part. Accessory, after you open the machine, you will find all here the accessory, the smaller screw rings and the 2 big rings. And also for this is the molding block. This molding block will customize as your moldings. Before you order moldings, that time you already inform us, send us the many size of yours, and then we customize this the molding block as your moldings. It has different thickness of it. Then we choose this mold according to your moldings. The first step, you need to find the moldings now you need to work. And then to make it in the back side, this flat back side. And then to put it here. And then you will find here the moldings will 1 millimeter higher than this block. Now then choose this one. Now it's okay. And also after choose this, you need to confirm the V-nail block. Same. We have 4 loading ports. Then we have 4 set this the nail block. Nail block we have 4 sides: 7 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and also the 12 and the 15. The 4 sides the nail block, and also it has the 4 set. Total is it's 16 pieces and nail block for this. Then you use these V-nails, check the haze. Use the V-nails to confirm the correct molding size. For example, this one we can use the 12 millimeter V-nail, and then to take the 12 millimeter the nail block. We can also make the mark here. You can choose the molding, the V-nail block, the mark here. It has like 10 and the 7, also 12 and also 15. The different size we'll mark on here. And after choose the right one, we'll make the next station. And to make this, correct this molding block into the 4 pieces the loading port, and also this the V-nail block. Okay. After confirm the correct size for the frame corner the mold and the length, now we install that on the machine. First, we need to make it a screen. The third one, the forming become the original. You will see here, this one will go side. All these 4 pieces will be go side for loading port. And then we choose the correct one to put it inside. Here we have the 2 pieces here higher than this block. And this will go inside deeply as it. And then our eyes also need to look another side. If another side is smoothly or not, then we put these 2 screws inside of it. And then to use the wrench to lock it. Okay, this is finished one, and make another 4 pieces, another 4 side, another 3 side, 1, 2, 3, 3 side with this one, 4 side to change the correct molding corner block inside of that. Then we go to the next step. Okay, now we go to the next step. Change the V-nail nailing block, this one, on the machine. We need to click the yellow button replace the mold. You will see here will go front. 4 corners will go front. 4 corners will go front, and then easy for us to change that. Now we start to change the V-nail block on there. Attention here, the tools must be face to inside, and then to put it on there. Use your hand to lock it first, and then use your wrench to lock it well. Do not lock too hard. If you lock too hard, sometimes this will be blocked. Just a little power to lock it. And then the next, we choose the correct V-nail size, and then put the V-nails into this V-nail port. And for this, we can use our TAISHENG Framing, the high quality V-nails, and the TS-J50 or TS-J50ZS. Our V-nails can fix all kinds of hardness, the wood molding or MDF moldings. That one. Now we start to put the V-nails into the V-nail port. Attention here, the glue side must to face to up, and 90 degrees must to face to top. We put it inside. And here can load in the 102 1,200 pieces of nails totally. In this way, you can work for a long time. And then to use this push block to push the V-nails inside. And then the next step is that after we install the correct nail block and put the V-nails inside, we need to test if the V-nails can work smoothly or not. Here, inside the first value, here it has one button in here. We press it again one time. You will find the V-nails come out again. Press it for many times and then to see if V-nails can go outside smoothly or not. If not smoothly, we need to check if the nail block is correct or not, or check your V-nail size correct or not, or check if you use the high quality V-nails as our TAISHENG Framing. This is for changing the collect the V-nail block and put the V-nails and also text the V-nails. Okay, let's go to the next step to write the size into the computers and then start work. For the confirm the molding loading port, the correct size. First, we get the correct moldings we want to fix, and then to go to the port. This port we'll find here. Let's flat the steel here help us to confirm the correct size. The second is attention. It must be the highest place and to place on there. This is the flat one, and sometimes your moldings it has a different size. Now we start to adjust that. We need to turn this black, the secure, to turn off that. And then put your finger here in the bottom of it. You'll find this can go up. And then use your another hand to press that. You want to be dropped off. And then these moldings, make the highest place on here. And then this, the flat steel, we have to lock that, and then you use your hand. There are the 4 secure on this loading port. These 2 pieces, another side also has 2 pieces, and then to lock it. In this way, the moldings will work very smoothly from this loading port to the V-nail shooting place. Attention, this is very important. We need to lock here to adjust it to the correct size. First, we open the 4 secure and to make it up, and then to put the moldings inside of that, and then get the correct size, the height of this loading port. Then lock the 4 pieces, the secure of it. This is the one, and another also has another 3 loading port. 1, 2, 3, and plus this is the 4. We need use these moldings to adjust the 4 loading port into the correct size, and then working can get the better conditions. And then finish all these 3 steps. Then start working, start to put the moldings on the machine. Okay, after we adjust the correct size for the loading port, the height of the loading port for the loading port, and also confirm the correct V-nail block, the shooting block, the correct size, and also confirm the correct V-nail size in it, and also confirm we use the correct molding, the corner block in it. After all, then we start to write the program into computers. For example, today I need to produce the 760 millimeter by the 663.5 millimeter. This size the picture frames, and then we start to edit that. Here we just click the white one and then to write that where our size is the 760 millimeter, and then enter. Another size is the 663.5 millimeter, then enter that. And also this, the moldings, this is we already write the size, the longer and the shorter size in that. And then another is next step is to confirm the V-nail size. For example, this one, we can shoot the 2 pieces. This we use the 12mm vnails. We can shoot the 2 pieces vnails in one position to make this the moldings more stronger. And then we use the ruler. We use the ruler from this the edge, then to check that. For example, this one I can make the 9mm and also the 14mm. These two positions to shoot the vnails. Attention, from here, this angle is the 0, and then this one is 9 and 14mm. Two places, we make the 4 pieces of vnails in each side. Now we start to add it here. Position 1, we make the 9mm, enter. And then we shoot the 2 pieces vnails in it. And then the second one, we use the 14mm place to shoot the nails. And then this one also shoot the 2 pieces. Okay, now it's okay now. The problem is finished to edit that. Then we go to the next step. Use the click the green button. Green button is the confirm dimension. Then you will see all here the 4 loading ports will move. After it moves, stop. Then we put all the moldings inside of that. Then in this way, in this place, you need to attention. You must leave the 1mm the space for here, for this 2 plate, for this 2 position. You need to your eyes on here, this side. You just push it. Then your eyes will here. You will find the 1mm. Then it's this in this way is correct. Okay, let's go to this another side, the shorter one. We put it again, and then to push that, and then to confirm if it has the 1mm the space in this molding block. Usually we only need to confirm this 2 place X and Y, these 2 places, then is okay. Then to take off that. Now, after confirm that size, if that size is not correct, you need to write it in a computer again to plus 1mm or reduce the some distance of that. After it distance get the way light now is shown to you, then it's okay. Then start to put the moldings on the pot. Okay, we start to load the pot on that, and then start to go to the next stop, and then to check how it works. Okay, now we get to put on the molding step. Put the molding step. When your frame moldings in for picture frames, then it must have 1 step in here for the moldings. You need to put this step face to up, and then you need to moldings on 1 flat tables, and then use your left hand on the right hand to put it on the loading board. In this way, it will help you very simple to put the moldings into molding loading board. Our advantage is here, this side, here, this, the top side is wider than the bottom side. This will help you easy to put the moldings into it. Okay, after putting all the moldings on the machines, now we back to the screen. We go to the screen and then to press the green button start. You will see the 1 attention pictures. Make sure that the height of the moldings, and also make sure use the correct size the molding block, and make sure the correct size for the molding playing the corners, and then to make the start. Go to the continue walking. Okay, now we go to this side. This side we also have a start walk. We need to text the 1 picture frame to text if it can shoot it well or not. Here, that's a green button and the red button here. We make the one time press green button, and then after 1 second, press the red button to make the machine stop, and then to get the moldings and to check. After that, to check if it can work well or not. Now we start to press the green button 1 time, and then second press the red button. This machine will stop working, And then now we check if all the four corners close well or not. All the V-nails go inside or not. Then after checking all the conditions, it works well. And then to press the green button again to start the automatic working. And then when you walk in, you continue to put the moldings into the loading port to make it still working for a long time. Okay, now we start to press that. Okay, after the machine stop to put the moldings into the button, stop work, we need to check. Here, we have one sensor here. Level 5 here, that's no moldings, less moldings for work. So this is already start to stop the working. In this way, it's time to put the more moldings in for the loading port. Then it can stop to working again. Okay, this is for the working video, how to use the TAISHENG Framing TS-J50ZS, the 4-corner automatic joint robot for this machine. Okay, thank you. Another features is that we can write out the quantity we need to arrange the production in the computers. After the quantity production, get the number we want to produce, and then the one we set it on computer. Machine will stop working. For example, these moldings I want to produce like the 6 pieces, and then enter. Now we go to that place to start work. Now we start work. After it get the 6 pieces, it will stop working. And then let's see what will happen. We press this green button. This green button is for start. Another place for the under the computers like green one. Start also is same way for using. We start work. Already get the 6 pieces, the moldings, and then machine stop for working. This is the computers. In that way, when we create the heavy productions, the worker will forget the quantity they need to produce. Computers, this will help you to know what's the quantity you get and when you get that, and it will stop the working automatic. After the machine stop working, you need to check if the production quantity already get your target or not. This is for the stop production for the machine. Okay. After let the output alive, you need to make this the red button. Then it back to the work condition. Here we have one sensor here. If you put molding in here, this the red light will be on, and if there's no molding on here, the red light will be turned off. In this way, machine will also stop work. When there's no V-nails on here, then the V-nail pusher will drop off. This sensor will be a red light. In this way, machine will stop work again. Attention here for this bottle is for we need to put the oil inside. The oil must liquid like the waters. Then it can go inside, follow the air pressure into the machine. Then machine can work better. And here this one is for the belt speed. We always make the belt into the farthest speed. Then better for work. And after one day working, we need to turn off the machine to push this the blue one, and then the air pressure will go outside. In this way, this can keep the machine in long time the good working condition. After edit the programs, then we need to save that. This is the group number. The first, the left side, make the number you need. For example, this is the first molding. We edit that. Okay, enter. Now the name, you can write the name of it. We need to change it here. For example, this is ABC. That we can write that in the number. For example, this is the 23 by the 30, the moldings. Then we enter that. After all, one the number, and then the second is name, and we save that. Okay, now it go to the program, the warehouse. We go to that. This is the first one. And also, this program warehouse is, if you need to choosing another one, just click that, and then to download. Now, we back to the last page. Now, we'll see here is all totally different. This is the number 5, the moldings, you already saved on that. For example, if you already remember the numbers of your programs, you just can make it very fast. Here, the number, we make it number 1 moldings. And then you will see here, all is the same as before, the 23 by 30, that program now is out. After you write the number, you need to make the download. Now, we get back to the number 5 moldings again to show you. Here, number 5, enter, download. This is 1, 2, 3, that molding name. Okay, this is the program, save, and also the download. If you do not remember the number of your moldings, just to open the molding program warehouse, you will see here. And then you need to click in one time, and then it can get the up and down, left and right. And here you can see the X side and the Y side, and also for the position, how many position the way to shoot. Okay, now we go to the molding program warehouse. Molding program warehouse is that to save all the systems, all the program you already added, and then save the inside. And then we go to inside to check what it is. Click in one time, and then you will see some program you already saved inside. The first line is for the numbers you already write on here, and then the name, item name you save in the program, and also the X size and the Y size for the machine. There are 2 different places. The size is the different size for the moldings, and then position, the nailing position you need to shoot. And also sometimes you have the page you need to check. Just click it in 2 times, twice click that, and then you will see here the sign there. And then you can check the next page very fast. This can save 100 the pieces of the program inside. And then you want to go to the top one, you just click it in twice, and then you will see another program. And then to choose that, for example, this is the number 5 molding 1, 2, 3, the name, and then download. After the download, we go to the last page. Then you will find here 5, number 5 molding, name there is the 1, 2, 3, and all the sizes is correct. As before, we saved on the computers. Okay, this is the computer molding warehouse program.